आप लोग यहाँ पे ट्रिंग मनाने आए हो तो आप लोगों को कैसा लगा?
बहुत अच्छा लगा. We enjoyed here. Actually, he is our friend and he invited us to the festival. And we enjoyed a lot. We saw some of the performance over here, so it was nice experience.
अच्छा, तो मतलब आप लोग यहाँ पे कहाँ से आए हो?
हम लोग तो वैसे सत्य निकेतन में रहते हैं.
अच्छा, अच्छा.
Originally,
हाँ.
I am from Jharkhand and he is also from Bihar and he is also from
सो आपको कैसा लगा ट्रिंग फेस्टिवल में आके?
मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा.
और आपको?
This was really good. I enjoyed a lot.
Thank you so much.
Energy was really good.
अच्छा, तो आप लोग अगले साल फिर से आएंगे?
Yeah, definitely.
अगर आपको हाँ बोला.
We can come definitely.
No, we will be connected with Samar.
अच्छा, अच्छा.
He will invite us again. We will come definitely.
Thank you so much for coming and hope to see you guys next year.
Thank you.